last week we talked about why organizing fails. Well, we talked about 2 out of 3 of the reasons. The first being your house is not set up for the way that you live. And this could mean you have too much stuff for the space you live in. The second being you don't have a system in place to maintain it. So, the old saying, a home for everything and everything in its home, that would be your systems. Our third reason we'll talk about today is really about bad habits or building good habits. So I will admit that I recently built a habit of making my bed in the morning. So I think we've talked about the fact that I am not a morning person. And so I kind of had to motivate myself to make sure that I made my bed in the morning. Now, if I miss a day, when I come home and see that my bed's not made, it's one of those, ugh, kind of moments. So even my husband made a comment one day when the bed wasn't made, like, oh man, I really miss the bed being made. So once you establish a good habit, it can make a big difference in your home. The other habit that I have is I like to reset my kitchen every night so that when I get up in the morning, I'm ready to get the day started. This is really important, trying to get 4 kids out the door to school on time, making breakfast, lunches, getting my husband to work, all that good stuff. Well, last night I did not reset my kitchen and I paid for it this morning. Now, in some ways, this can sound overwhelming if your kitchen feels like a mess. Set a timer, tackle it a little bit at a time. Turn on some music if you need to. So I reset my kitchen this morning. I'll show you the video here in a second. It took me exactly 12 minutes. So I had a full dishwasher, a full sink of dishes, stuff on the counter from last night that needed to be addressed. And in 12 minutes, my kitchen looks like new. So now's your turn. Take 10 minutes, set your timer, turn on your music, go find a space in your home that needs some love and give it to it.